What's the meaning of antidepressant? Antidepressant. 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 Antidepressant.
An antidepressant is a type of medication used to treat depression, anxiety disorders, and other mental health conditions. These medications work by altering the levels of certain chemicals in the brain, such as serotonin and norepinephrine, which can affect mood and emotions. The ultimate goal of taking an antidepressant is to improve symptoms of depression and alleviate feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and worthlessness. In addition to improving mood, antidepressants can also help with sleep disturbances and appetite changes that often accompany depression. However, it's important to note that not all antidepressants work for everyone, and they can have potential side effects.